welcome to Will's Wheels, and I gotta tell you, I'm sick and tired. I'm sick and tired, I'm sick and tired. Let me tell you what I'm sick and tired about. Hang on. I am sick and tired of my garage door tracks. I'm sick and tired of hitting my head on these every time I take a step up on this so I can reach the top of the vehicle so I can finish detailing it. Now my house is about 10 years old. And we've had a rash of garage door tensioners in the neighborhood breaking. If you don't know what a garage door tensioner is, hang on. Now this is on the single side of my garage, but this big spring is a garage door tensioner. And they're supposed to last somewhere between 8 to 10 years before they can actually break. So I thought what I would do over at Garage Call and see what I could do about this situation, because I'm sick of hitting my head on these things. It hurts. What I found out and discovered is they do have what they call side-mounted garage door lifts that mount here. Actually, they mount on the wall. They connect to this and they raise and lower the door by using this. So you effectively get rid of this track and this garage door opener. But guess what? A little too expensive for my budget. So I asked them about some other opportunities. You know, I've been down to Stonegate and saw some roll-up garage doors where they roll up inside themselves, much like a roll of paper towel or something. But they were too expensive. But what they did offer and said as a suggestion is they can actually raise these doors 2 full feet up towards the ceiling by simply extending your garage track. So instead of curving over here short, they can go up more to the ceiling and curve in, which in fact will keep me from hitting my deadgum head on them so much. So they should be by here in the morning. And we'll see how this goes. I plan on taping it and sharing it. So we'll talk to you later. And just like that, overhead garage door has finished and they have installed the high lift kit system in my garage. And I absolutely love it. Not gonna be hitting the old noggin anymore. I'm really excited about that, no joke. You know, sometimes the simple things in life are really cool. But anyway, let me take you over and show you one of the key components in doing this installation was. Now this is the garage track that the garage door would run in. And they've cut it right here. Because used to it would come up about another 2 inches or so, maybe 3, and it would go over right along and be right in my way. So what they did is they've added this extension here. So it takes your garage door all the way up about 2 feet off the top, from the top of your ceiling, and runs all the way over. And one of the surprising things that I didn't realize that it was going to do was it really opened up this garage. You know, before when the garage doors were lower, I don't want to say it felt claustrophobic, but it did, you know, it did close it off somewhat. But now that they're up and out of the way, it's just fantastic. Now, I did get lucky. You know, this is my original garage opener. This is my original garage track, or the arm. So I didn't have to replace any of that. So I was able to save a lot of money that way. Now, one of the things this system doesn't do is it doesn't make your garage any bigger. You know, the opening to the garage is still as big as it was. I'm not going to be able to get anything else any taller in the garage. But it just opens it up. Now, I also realize that a lot of people do store things on their ceilings, but luckily, we're fortunate. Our house has ample storage inside, which allows me to keep my garage somewhat organized, which I really, really like. Well, that's it. I just wanted to share this with you because I had no idea things like this existed. I really didn't. Should have done it years ago. May have already said that once or twice, but I really should have. So please remember to like, share, comment, hit that subscribe button down there for me. I really appreciate that. And as always, hang loose and keep shiny side up. Thanks. Bye.